All right, guys, so I'm fishing on a jetty here in Massachusetts, and I've noticed that there's a cormorant, which is a type of bird, who's got a fishing line all tangled up in him. He's like stuck in the rocks or something. As much as I hate these birds because they eat all the fish, I'm gonna save his life. I'm gonna save him. So he's right up here. We gotta save this bird. That's what we're gonna try to do here. Yeah, he ate probably like someone's bait, so he's hooked in the mouth. He needs some help. Dang, it's gonna be tough to get him. He's screwed. All right. So after I got down here, I could see that the line coming out of the bird's mouth was going underwater, probably 6 or 8 feet from shore, and it would be impossible for me to grab. So I got my rod, which had a spook on it, and I was going to cast and try to snag the line and then reel the bird in. No, this is gonna be hard to do. I'm not really sure where the line is coming from. These rocks, it's stuck in the rocks, that's for sure. I'm gonna go ahead and try to get down here. What's that? Yeah, he's hooked on some rig. I'm gonna try. Yeah, the line is like in the water in the rock somewhere, so it's like I'm gonna try to snag the line and then bring him in. There we go. Think you can hold my rod real quick?
Yeah, sure.
Thanks. Just like real quick. Gonna try to. All right. Yeah, I got some scissors. All right. You can put my rod down. I'm good.
All right.
You can just like. All right. All right. Wow. Yeah, actually, I got some scissors right here. No, he's hooked. It's in his mouth. So initially, I was just gonna cut the line and let the thing fly away with the hook in his mouth. But once I got close to him, I was like, you know what? I'm gonna take the hook out. Gonna make sure that this bird has every chance to survive. I'm just gonna do it right. I had this pair of scissors down here, and I figured these were the best tools for the job. And I ended up wedging the scissors in his mouth behind the hook, and then I was able to use my other hand to wiggle the hook around, and it turns out it was a 5 or 6/0 circle hook. It was kind of tough to get out, but it kind of just popped right out, and then everything was good. Yeah, I'm gonna train him. He's gonna catch fish for me, catch bait fish. Yeah, gotta get a picture. This is typical. Just another day in the life.
I sniped a seagull one time on a cast.
Yeah? Hey, I got the seagulls.
He was pissed.
Yeah, good pictures? Alright, let's see if he can do the flying release. Ah, yeah. Freedom. They're blitzing. There they go. Look at that Pollack blitz. All the Pollack you want. Oh, we got one. I can show you now. This is actually one of the smallest ones I've got, but check him out right there. He's a pretty cool fish. Never really see these Pollack down in Jersey, that's for sure. But they got them up here in Mass. It is a serious Pollack blitz out here today. Look at that, they got all the herring like beaching themselves. Here we go, let's grab some of these herring here. I'll show you what these Pollack are eating right here. Oh, these are young of the year herring right here. Pretty sure they might be shad, probably herring, maybe even peanut bunker. No, these are freaking. I think they're actually peanut bunker. Tiny little peanuts. So gonna grab a couple of these. Like this. I'm not too concerned about this thing like staying alive on the hook. Pretty sure. Just this thing sinking is gonna get something. See how dumb the pollock are. Oh. That is not anything other than a bergal right there. Bergal are also eating these things. They're going after the plain jig head here. There's one. Greedy little things. They're not bad. They're cool fish. Pretty cool fish. Actually, let's just go ahead and live line them. Let's live line the Pollack. See what happens. I figure these little 18-inch bass could probably eat this thing. There they go. Look at that. It's like a serious blitz. Serious pollock blitz. So the hope is some bigger bass will find these pollock. You know, maybe we'll get a shot at like some real size stripers. Let these pollock hang around. But for now, oh, there's a fish on the pollock. It's probably a little schooly. That was on the pollock though. That's kind of cool. Oh yeah. Check that out. Oh, he ate that pollock. It's pretty sweet. Ouch. Little bass ate a little pollock. Oh, that was interesting. That was the first striper I got on a live pollock today and ever in my life. So that's kind of cool. I'm gonna put back the little jig. We're gonna put the little jig back on. Okay. See if we can get some more of these schoolies. Schoolie slash micros. They're really biting today. At least the little ones. The little ones are responding to the storm. Alright guys, so today fishing, not catching anything good. There is a lot of life in the water right now. We got harbor pollock, like little tiny juvenile pollock eating juvenile herring. You can see there's juvenile herring like all in the weeds and rocks along shore here. And the little schoolie stripers are eating them too, micro stripers. Yeah. Oh, yeah, they're far out. Alright, this is probably my 10th striper of the day. Just started filming because it's been lackluster, but we're hoping to catch big fish. That's why we are fishing here at the Cape Cod Canal. But the big fish really are scarce. There's not really any, so we're taking what we can get at this point. We're gonna just use this spook. We're using the spook. We're just working with what we got today. Another schoolie. There they go. Now the schoolie.